This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. Luxury downtown living at its finest, just 2 blocks from Norfolk's neon/arts district. This upscale condo flat features a spacious open floor plan, high ceilings, and gorgeous white plank flooring throughout. The great room features a bank of windows allows for ample natural lighting. The adjacent bar area, which is great for informal occasions and entertaining, overlooks the stunning chef's kitchen designed west/ample soft close cabinetry and a full Viking appliance suite, double ovens plus a gas range. Spacious master bedroom offers 2 walk-in closets. Master bathroom features a jetted soaking tub, double sinks, tiled flooring, and upgraded finishes. Restaurant, nightlife, Waterside, and Hilton The Main.